Point. The brain is the center for longevity. Actually, we do know that. For a start, when I'm stressed, I can see mentally stressed. Then I can see it in my body, heart rate, hormones. It's clear. That's no true surprise. So you've got to work on your brain first and foremost. If you are totally freaked out, agitated all the time, you will live shorter. I'm certain of it. I keep fish. I'm a big aquarium guy. And you can see the difference between the fish that's having a good time and dominant and one that gets picked on.
Yeah.
It just looks like crap. You don't want to be the little fish getting picked on if you can help it. So I used to be extremely stressed as a kid. I was a perfectionist, very shy, always worried about being a failure. If I didn't get an A+, I was crying in my bedroom, that kind of sad existence. I got into my 20s, then in my 30s, and realized that's not the way to live. So I've worked very hard to get to this point where I almost never get stressed. Never. There's nothing that I've never gotten angry in my lab. I've got 20 kids. Sometimes it's most of the time it's like a kindergarten. I haven't lost my temper. I'm very calm, but that's intentional. And I don't worry about stuff. Millions of dollars, billions of dollars at stake sometimes. Keep it cool. It's only life. We're all headed to the same place anyway. Don't worry about it. But to answer your question, I think in a better way, if you manipulate the brain of an animal, I'll give you an example. If we turn on this cert gene that I mentioned, cert1, a good friend of mine at WashU, Sheena Mai, did this. They upregulate that gene just in the neurons of the animal. It lived longer. So that's sufficient to extend lifespan. We also know that you can manipulate the part of the brain called the hypothalamus, which leaches a lot of chemicals into the body and proteins, most of which we don't know yet. But just changing the inflammation of that little organ or part of the brain is sufficient to make animals live longer as well. So get your brain in order first before you tackle anything else, I would say.